I've tested hundreds of AI store builders, and this one, Build Your Store AI, promises that it can create a fully functional Shopify store with winning products, store design, and branding done in only a couple minutes. But could a store like that actually make money? Just a few months ago, I built a brand new dropshipping store from scratch, and I scaled it to over $100,000 in under 30 days. And in this video, I'm challenging AI to build a store that matches that level of quality and scale in less than 5 minutes. And by the end, you'll know whether an AI built store is actually worth launching or just another shortcut that looks good on paper but never makes a sale. Okay, so I left the AI store builder I'm going to be using, Build Your Store, down in the description right below this for all of you guys to test it out too. And once you go ahead and hit that link, it's going to take you straight to this page right here. Now all you're going to do is just go ahead and hit build my free store, and then you're going to land on this screen where you're going to want to enter your first name, email, and then create your password. Click next, and now you're going to be choosing the niche. As you see, there's fashion, pets, electronics, home, sports, but if you really don't know yet, you can go ahead and hit I'm not sure. Regardless of what you choose, you can always come back and update it once you figure out the type of products that you actually want to sell. But for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and choose I'm not sure, hit done, and now this is where we select our banners for our store. You'll select these now, but you can customize all of this later if you want to. And then once you hit done, this is where we finally create our actual Shopify account. So right here, we've got a really simple 4-step process that gets your Shopify account live and connected to the store that the AI is building for us. Then once you hit Access Shopify, it's gonna take you directly to this page where all you need to do is just go ahead and enter your email to unlock that free trial for 3 days. And then after that, it's only $1 a month for your first 3 months versus the $39 a month it typically costs to get started. From here, it's gonna run through a few quick questions so it can set your store up for what you're actually selling or what you're planning on selling. So if you're running an online business, just go ahead and hit online business. But if it's an in-person storefront, you'll hit that and then so on and so forth. Now right here for products that we're selling, I'm picking dropshipping products because for those of you who don't know, that's the model that I built most of my experience with. And it's how I've been able to build multiple 7-figure stores. But we'll get into that a little bit later on. From here, what it's asking is for us to go ahead and choose our plan. And look, as a beginner, all you really need is a basic plan, as it gives you everything that you need to start selling without paying for features that you won't even know how to use yet. Next, you want to make sure to install the Build Your Store app through Shopify. Then click Install App, and then we're going to get to the screen right now where it says Install App at the top. So let's go ahead and click on Install. And then once the AI Store Builder has finished installing, it's now going to bring us back to the Build Your Store screen and give us a check mark to confirm that it's completed. Now, once your store is fully connected to Shopify, this is where you finally see everything come together, where you now have a complete Shopify store built out in only a couple minutes for 100% free. And because we selected the I'm not sure button, it gave us a broad, flexible layout to start with, where you'll notice right here that it automatically filled the store with a few placeholder products so you can see how everything is structured. The entire homepage is fully built out surrounding your niche with banners, welcome text, and pretty much everything that a good landing page would have. The product pages are already practically finished with a description of the product itself and images already added in. Now there definitely has to still be some tweaks that I would make on this side, but overall, I mean, it's really good for the limited amount of work that I put in. So now that the AI finished building out the entire store, let's talk about the part that everybody actually cares about. Would I use this? And honestly, yeah, I would. And here's why. Even though I would go in and add in my usual tweaks, like tighten up the branding, optimize the product pages, make sure that the offers match my strategy, the honest truth is this: the foundation was already done for me. The full store layout, done. The product descriptions, now fully written. I mean, this thing even had winning products loaded in through AutoDS based on the niche that I chose, and now it's ready to sell. And all I had to do was just put in my information and just click a couple buttons. I didn't have to design anything from scratch. I didn't even have to spend hours choosing products. And I didn't need any experience to get something that actually looks like a complete Shopify store. And that's what makes this so crazy. Because if you're someone who's been stuck at square one, feeling overwhelmed, not knowing where to start, or just not having the time, this removes all of that. Where you can literally get to the 90% done mark without having ever built a store before. And that alone makes this worth it. As for ease of use, I'm giving this a solid 8 out of 10. There's no coding, no technical skills, and nothing confusing. The only thing you really need to do is just follow the steps the right way. And if you miss something, just go back through the video and watch it again. If you can copy, click, and follow instructions, you can set up a store just like this. That's why this is such a game changer for beginners. Man, y'all, I might have been 10 years ahead of where I'm at now if I had something like this back in 2018. And look, if you want me to take this exact AI build store and actually try to scale it to over $1,000 a day, drop a comment down below that says AI, along with your biggest takeaway from this video. And if we get over 100 comments, I'll drop a video where I attempt to hit that $1,000 goal in less than 7 days. And let me know if you tried using AI in your dropshipping store before, or if this is your first time seeing something like this, as I'm curious where you're at. And if you want the full store outline, everything that you need to take this build from 90% done to 100% done and thriving, you can grab that free with the link right below this video. Times are changing, and the best piece of advice that I can give you is to use AI to help you get ahead of the curve. I'll see you in the next one. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.